Here's a delicious recipe for chocolate pudding lemon meringue pie. Chocolate pudding lemon meringue pie. Ingredients. For the chocolate pudding layer: 1. 1/2 cup granulated sugar. 2. 1/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder. 3. 3 tablespoons cornstarch. 4. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 5. 2 cups whole milk. 6. 3 large egg yolks, beaten. 7. 2 tablespoons unsalted butter. 8. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 9. 4 ounces bittersweet chocolate, chopped. For the lemon layer: 1. 1 pre-baked 9-inch pie crust, homemade or store-bought. For the meringue: 1. 3 large egg whites, at room temperature. 2. 1/2 cup granulated sugar. 3. 1/2 teaspoon cream of tartar. 4. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions. 1. Prepare the chocolate pudding layer. 1. In a medium saucepan, whisk together sugar, cocoa powder, cornstarch, and salt. 2. Gradually whisk in the milk until smooth and well combined. 3. Place the saucepan over medium heat, stirring constantly until the mixture thickens and comes to a boil. 4. Allow it to boil for 1–2 minutes, continuing to stir. 5. Remove the saucepan from heat. 5. Temper the beaten egg yolks by gradually whisking in a small amount of the hot chocolate mixture. 5. Then, whisk the egg yolks back into the saucepan. 6. Place the saucepan back on the heat and cook for an additional 2 minutes, stirring constantly. 7. Remove from heat and stir in the butter, vanilla extract, and chopped chocolate until the chocolate is melted and the mixture is smooth. 2. Assemble the pie. 1. Pour the chocolate pudding into the pre-baked pie crust, spreading it evenly. 2. Place the pie in the refrigerator to cool and set while you prepare the lemon layer. 3. Prepare the lemon layer. 1. Once the chocolate layer is set, prepare the lemon layer by spreading a thin layer of lemon curd over the chocolate pudding. 1. You can use store-bought lemon curd or make your own. 2. Chill the pie in the refrigerator while you prepare the meringue. 4. Make the meringue. 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. 2. In a clean, dry bowl, beat the egg whites with an electric mixer until soft peaks form. 3. Gradually add the sugar, cream of tartar, and vanilla extract. 3. Continue beating until glossy, stiff peaks form. 5. Top the pie with meringue. 1. Spoon the meringue over the lemon layer, making sure to spread it to the edges to seal the pie. 2. Use the back of a spoon to create peaks in the meringue. 6. Bake the pie. 1. Place the pie in the preheated oven and bake for about 10–15 minutes or until the meringue is golden brown. 2. Keep a close eye on it to prevent burning. 7. Cool and serve. 1. Allow the pie to cool completely before slicing and serving. 2. Refrigerate any leftovers. Enjoy your delightful chocolate pudding lemon meringue pie, featuring layers of rich chocolate, tangy lemon, and fluffy meringue.